In today's short video, we will learn how to use Magikal for writing quick notes in eOffice. Magikal is a Google Chrome extension that can be used for inserting pre-saved texts called templates by using designated short keywords. Its use is not exclusive to eOffice web application, and this extension works with every website or web application like Gmail, etc. that can be opened in Google Chrome. For using this web application, we need to first log into Google Chrome using our email address and turn sync on like I have already done, so that any template created on one system reflects in other systems being used by us while using Google Chrome in logged in mode. Thereafter, click on the link given in the description of this video to open Magikal extension window in Google Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. Once you click on Add to Chrome, the Magikal extension will be added to the Chrome application on your system. Click on Add extension if prompted. Thereafter, the Magikal extension gets added to your Google Chrome. Once the Magikal extension has been added, you can create templates. For those of you who are using Magikal for the first time, as you will not find so many templates already saved. Now, for using Magikal on your system, you need to create some templates like I have already done. These are all templates created by me, and whatever has been written in this text box, larger text box, is the template, and this is the keyword. As you would see, I need to add some special character also in the keyword. As you can see, I have already created many templates and their related keywords, or what you can call shortcuts. So let me show you how to use these keywords in writing notes in eOffice. First, you need to write /. Thereafter, you will find that the eOffice shows all the keywords that have been listed by you. If you write draft, the two keywords having draft word in it is already shown. So the one I want to use, if I just press enter, the first one will be inserted. If I just use down arrow and then press enter, the second one will be inserted. Now let me show you some long templates that I have created. One is this one. So this helps us not only in writing quick notes but also in using Rajbhasha while working in eOffice. And this can be used anywhere in any of the web applications that can be opened in Google Chrome, including Gmail or whatever kind of websites that you open, using Messenger or using any chat software, whatever softwares that you use on Google Chrome, web applications that you use on Google Chrome, you can use these templates. Let us learn how to create a new template. So click on create, type the template that you want to create in this text box, or copy paste it from any of your e-files. Like you need to create a keyword which is called trigger by Magikal. For creating a trigger, you need to use at least one special character. Here I am using hash. Now this template, once I click on save, this template shall be created and saved, and which it can be used in the window I want it. Now if I type draft, see, my additional template has been shown over here. Now there is one problem with Magikal extension. It is free for first month and thereafter it is chargeable. Now how to get rid of that kind of condition? So you need to share Magikal extensions link with somebody, and once he installs, you are given one more month of free use. Now all of us have some members in the family. Keep creating accounts for Magikal for them, and then make them use it once, at least once, and we get 1 month additional free use service. What if Magikal extension free use period has expired and you do not have anyone to forward its link to ask them to install it and then make it free for you for 1 more month? In that case also, you did not panic. All you need to do is open a new tab, click on the Magikal extension button, it will open, and whatever template you want to search, you just need to type its keyword here and you will find that template appears before you. Just Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, copy it and then paste it in the e-file. So that's all that you need to do. Thank you. So that's all for the short video created today. Thank you very much.